Welcome to Naturally.co, Cooking with Diane. You know, when you have a garden and you have an overabundance of tomatoes and cucumbers, and today we're going to be doing a simple tomato and cucumber salad that is delicious, refreshing, and full of vitamins. So I like to use the English, or sometimes it's called a hothouse cucumber, because the seeds are very small and you don't have problems with burping, having problems with your acid reflux with these so much. And then I will cut them up small. I like to remove the skin, but you can, if you like the skin on yours, you can leave the skin on. You want them in bite-sized pieces. Put it in my bowl. I'm gonna cut up tomatoes. I prefer the Roma tomatoes. They're easier to grow. They don't have all the seeds on the inside that you have to worry about. And they're so versatile, you can use them with so many different recipes. And this salad, you can add more things to it than what we're going to do today. You could put, if you need to, if you're going to have company and you don't have enough tomatoes and cucumbers, you can always add a can of drained chickpeas in it. And I'm just going to use a simple Vegenaise for my dressing today, but you could use any kind of dressing that's your favorite. You could use Italian. You could use anything that you like. So I'm using 3 tomatoes in this one because the cucumber, I want a good relationship between the cucumbers and the tomatoes. And then I have, for a little bit of crunchiness, I will add some celery, cut it up small. And I'm going to take half of a sweet onion. I prefer sweet onions when I'm eating them raw. I'll use yellow onions for cooking. Remove the outside. And again, I want to cut this up so it's small pieces, so you don't get a huge piece of onion in your mouth. And I have some fresh basil that I picked in the garden and dehydrated, and so I'm going to sprinkle some of that on. Gives it a little color and a little flavor. You could put dried dill on it as well. Then I will sprinkle some salt. You can put salt, pepper, whatever seasonings you like. And I'd like to mix it up somewhat. Now, Italian seasoning as dressing goes great on this too, but today I wanted to use just plain Vegenaise. I like the Vegenaise because it doesn't have any eggs in it, so it's vegan. And so depending on how many tomatoes and cucumbers you put in it, you're going to vary with the Vegenaise. So you don't want it soupy, but you want everything covered. Something else you could put in it is a little bit of garlic salt. Would be good as well. So you can really make this your own salad. Whatever your favorite vegetables you can add to it, favorite spices, and let's see what this tastes like. Right, you want to do a taste test to see if you've got enough salt in it. That's perfect. The basil adds a nice flavor to it. So enjoy.